In our journey through biological classification, we explored the 5 kingdoms: Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and Animalia. But what about organisms that don't fit into any of these? Meet the acellular life forms, viruses, viroids, and prions, and the fascinating symbiotic organisms called lichens. They challenge our understanding of what it means to be alive. Let's explore these biological enigmas, organisms that exist at the very edge of life. Viruses are unique. They're non-cellular, ultramicroscopic, and inert outside a living host, yet come alive once they enter a cell. In 1892, Dmitry Ivanovsky discovered a filtrable infectious agent causing mosaic disease in tobacco. Later, Beijering coined the term virus and called it contagium vivum fluidum, a living infectious fluid. W.M. Stanley later showed that viruses could be crystallized, confirming their non-living nature outside hosts. Viruses contain a nucleic acid core, either DNA or RNA, never both, and a protein coat called a capsid, made of units called capsomeres. Plant viruses usually have single-stranded RNA. Animal viruses can have single or double-stranded RNA or DNA. Bacteriophages, viruses that infect bacteria, generally have double-stranded DNA. A typical virus has a geometric capsid that encloses genetic material. Take the tobacco mosaic virus, TMV, a rod-shaped virus with single-stranded RNA and a helical protein coat. Or the bacteriophage, a complex virus with a head, collar, sheath, and tail fibers. It attaches to a bacterial cell, injects its DNA, and hijacks the host machinery to replicate. Viruses cause a wide range of diseases. In humans, influenza, mumps, herpes, HIV/AIDS. In plants, mosaic formation, leaf curling, stunting. In animals, rabies, foot and mouth disease. In 1971, Theo Diener discovered a new infectious agent even smaller than viruses called a viroid. Viroids are circular, single-stranded RNA molecules that lack a protein coat. They were first identified as the cause of potato spindle tuber disease. Viroid RNA has a low molecular weight but is infectious, replicating independently within plant cells. This discovery proved that proteins aren't always essential for infection. Prions are perhaps the strangest biological entities, infectious proteins with no DNA or RNA at all. Discovered in the study of neurological disorders, prions are misfolded versions of normal proteins that induce abnormal folding in other proteins. Prion-caused diseases are degenerative and fatal, including bovine spongiform encephalopathy, BSE, or mad cow disease, Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, CJD, in humans. Prions challenge the central dogma of molecular biology, demonstrating that proteins alone can transmit disease. Lichens are not single organisms, but a symbiotic association between an alga and a fungus. The algal partner is called the phycobiont. It's autotrophic and performs photosynthesis. The fungal partner is the mycobiont. It's heterotrophic and provides shelter, water, and minerals. Together, they form a stable, mutually beneficial relationship. Lichens can colonize extreme environments like bare rocks and tree bark. They're also excellent bioindicators of air quality, as they are highly sensitive to air pollution, especially sulfur dioxide. In polluted areas, lichens are often the first to disappear. Let's recap. Viruses, acellular particles with DNA or RNA, infectious only inside host cells. Viroids, naked RNA molecules, cause plant diseases. Prions, misfolded infectious proteins causing neurological damage. Lichens, symbiotic organisms combining algae and fungi, indicators of air quality. These life forms sit at the boundary between living and non-living, reminding us that biology is full of exceptions, enigmas, and endless complexity. This brings us to the end of Chapter 2, Biological Classification. Up next, we dive deep into Kingdom Plantae in Chapter 3,